Welcome along to BalloonTube, and today we're going to show you the pumpkin. So this is the pumpkin. I've got variation 2 here, and this I think looks more like a pumpkin because it's the bubbles here, but this is a little bit tricky and time consuming to do. So this is what I'm going to explain fully, but when I'm out and about I'll probably just make this one with the 4 small fold twists with the core section here, whatever this is called, I don't know. And then you can put a sort of a scary-ish face on. So anyway, so to make the pumpkin, I'll throw those over there for the moment, I need them. Inflate your orange balloon and leave about 6 fingers uninflated. Right, you need a 5-finger bubble. They're all 5-finger bubbles. All right, so a 5-finger bubble and a 1-finger pinch twist. Alright, so what, 1-finger bubble, you've got to make it into a pinch twist, you know, so pull that, right, squeeze the air, a 5-finger bubble, another 1-finger bubble which you're going to pinch twist, so it's over, the knot goes around there. Now you could probably do 6 of these, but on my pumpkin I'll do 7, alright, so squeeze the air, again a 5-finger bubble. The pinch twist are there, so it just makes it easier to attach all the time. So I'm up to, that's 4 at the moment. So again, squeeze the air. That's number 5. And they're all 5-finger bubbles. Alright, and you have to sort of manipulate them a bit. Squeeze the air. Another 5-finger bubble. I think this is number 6. I'm going to have a quick count because I've got. So have a look. Yeah, so that is 6, which you probably could get away with doing, but I'll do another 5-finger bubble and attach that to the bottom. Now your pumpkin, you do have to adjust these bubbles obviously a little bit. So 7 going in there. Deflate this in your favourite method. I don't suppose you were going to guess I was going to use my teeth. Now you can see it looks ball shaped, doesn't it? And you actually want it to be. So I squeeze the top and the bottom together, get the excess of this, wrap that around the pinch twist at the bottom, pulling it tight, and then coming back up the top, round the pinch twist, and then if I hide that up, you'll see that that has now gone sort of a bit more pumpkin shape. Alright? And now, if you're just going to do the quick pumpkin, then all you're going to do, I'm not going to attach this because I want to show you the more complex one. You need 4 small fold twists. So just a 1-finger fold twist. And you need squeeze the air. You need 4 of those. Squeeze the air. You can do 3, but it does leave a little gap. So I like to do 4. It just fills the space a little bit more. So you have 4 1-finger fold twists. The pumpkin was falling out from my arm. Then you get a 3-finger bubble and a 1-finger bubble, and the 1-finger twist goes down the fold twists. There we go. And so that's the top of your pumpkin. And then what you would do is put that there, pull that excess really tight around the bottom pinch twist, and then come back again around the top of the pumpkin. And then it's going to sit on and it will look like that. But we're going to show you the more, the one that takes a little bit longer to do. So what you do, you need a 3-finger bubble and a 1-finger bubble. And you tie the knot around that second, so that gives you the middle section of the top of your pumpkin. Alright, you tie that around the pinch twist. So put that around the pinch twist. And then the pinch twist, you want to push into the centre of the pumpkin to hide it up and get. So open up one of the fold twists, hold it against the body, so that disappears in there. Now you need a 1-finger bubble. Alright. Well, probably not even a 1-finger bubble. It might be slightly smaller than that. Put the twist in it. Now this is a bit, you've got to squeeze the air out of this balloon, so you've got a lot of slack that goes round to the bottom pinch twist, then it comes back up to the top, alright, and then you've got to do another couple of twists and another small 3/4 finger bubble. I said it was a bit complicated. So anyway, what you do is you take this bit, and as you're pushing that through, you're actually pushing the air, so it is actually a uninflated part of the balloon. So that goes down there, wrap it round the pinch twist at the bottom, like that. Then squeeze the air along again, squeeze the air out so you've got another slack bit, come up the next, between the two 5-finger bubbles. When you get to the top, twist the balloon a couple of times, otherwise the small bubble will disappear. Make a very small, I mean it might even be 1/2, 3/4 finger bubble, it's quite a small one, and then that goes round the 3-finger and the 1-finger bubble. Right. So you end up looking hopefully like this. And then you've just got to do that 7 times. So again, a small bubble, squeeze the air along, go down the next pull it, oh, not quite. So you're putting the excess, round the pinch twist, and it comes up to the next one. Again, squeeze the air. Once you're to the top, twist the balloon a couple of times, and then a small bubble again, around that 3 and 1-finger bubble, squeeze the air again, and on to the next one, and that's all you keep doing. I think I've got to go down one more, haven't I? 1, 2, oh, I've got 5 at the moment, but there's only 2 more. I should keep a note of what I'm doing, should I? So here we go. Up to that. Once you get to the top again, twist the balloon a couple of times before you put that little bubble in. And then we got the last one. Hurrah, I hear you say. Right, there you go, last one. And that will go. Get rid of the inflated part of the balloon along. Wrap that around. And I'm just going to check before I, oh yeah, not too bad, even though I say so myself. So it looks like, get rid of that, your favourite method, and you can draw on it. I'm going to come a little bit closer so you can see what it looks like, because it does look nice, but when you're out and about in the real world, if you're making a pumpkin, obviously around Halloween, you know, this one, is obviously the quick one to make, but this one does look, let me just come a little bit closer so you can see, there you go. Alright, so hope it's helped, and obviously you can draw the little scary face on if you want the, come a little bit closer, the little scary face. Alright, thanks for watching. If you could hit the subscribe button, that'd be brilliant, and tell a few friends about BalloonTube, and I'll catch you another time. So bye for now, bye bye.